Summer School 2025. Sounds like sunshine, summer, and vacation. Well, almost. This year, the Šumava National Park on the Czech-Bavarian border greeted us with mist, rain, and plenty of mud. But rain and fog didn't stop us. Students from all across the world came together to experience nature up close. So close, in fact, that some pairs of shoes may still be lost out there somewhere. Good preparation really is everything. From wetland regeneration to forest managing and balancing human use with ecological needs, we got a behind-the-scenes look at what it really takes to keep these landscapes alive and thriving. It's not just about protecting what's already there, but about actively shaping a healthier future for nature, a task that requires both science and community. Guided by experts in the field, we explored forests, wetlands, and river landscapes. And even though the skies kept pouring, the knowledge kept flowing. Inspiring workshops and lectures added more depth. The large diversity of topics, like biodiversity, climate change, and even sociology, were valuable to all participants. While conversations, laughter, and shared adventures made it unforgettable. In the end, we all agreed, the weather can't be planned, but the experiences and the lessons learned will last. So, for next year, don't just bring your curiosity and excitement for adventures. Maybe bring waterproof footwear too. Just in case. See you at the next summer school.